Yung asawa ko, pinabayaan na naman ako. Pag bukas ko ng bag ko, wala na naman akong dalang cash. Mag-aalis talaga ako nang di ko siya kasama. Grabe, para akong pulubi.
Kulang ka, pre, kulang ka.
Sinadya niya yun.
Sir! Sabi ni ate, hello, may nag-order pa!
Okay, listen. Yeah. Fired up, but we move like water. They know me as the crazy one. Eyes don't lie, lyrics turn into slaughter. And if it can happen, don't make me one.
Okay guys, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. At nandito tayo sa Aesthetics Toyota Year 5 Anniversary meet nila to ngayon guys. At nandito ang halos sagad na magagandang Toyota sa Pilipinas.
Sit back, chill and relax. Know your reason, keep on track. And I'm counting blessings, I'm counting that. It's up to you, and you look at all that. Yeah, the life is up to you. They can guide or do what, but it's up to you. They can ride for the pause, but it's up to you. Better do your job, that's up to you. You can play or pause, that's up to you. Open doors, that's up to you. You can weigh your options, up to you. Got the AP, yeah, that's up to you. When you're stunting now, that's up to you. You can make that space, that's up to you. All in the mind, what the fuck you do? Don't waste my waste of your moments too. Not me, I'll back up the ones I
Ang ganda talaga ng mga classic na Toyota guys. So grabe. Ayun naman oh.
There's things only I can do, that's up to me, that's not up to you.
Teka mo, magkaiba. Kapatid yan nung naka-Fortuner. Alam nyo guys, may-ari ng Fortuner, ito naman yung kapatid niya. May-ari na itong Hilux na to. Parehas agad yung mga auto nila guys. Yung build ng Hilux nila at ng Fortuner nila, sobrang linis. Well, halos lahat naman ng auto nandito. Ang lilinis ng build.
You can ride for the cause, but it's up to you. Better do your job, that's up to you.
Grabe. Fully restored. May LC dun, ganda oh.
You be getting done. You be getting done.
Eric, so yan. Yan.
Putang ina, nagbablog na to ha.
Ayan si Matt.
Paborito.
Tala ko? Oh, LC. Oh, 300.
Sobrang ayos ng event, sobrang organized.
Sobrang ganda talaga yung kotse mo yung nasa loob eh. Pakita mo kung nasan yung kotse niya, kaya sobrang ayos ng event. Pinakamagandang Yaris sa Pinas yan guys. Hindi dahil kapatid ko siya, pero tingnan nyo yung pagkakabuo.
Magka-scoop ko ng coke, mga dogs ay naka-on. Mentodex, Mogadon, edi salin mo na don.
Dito rin ang ating mga brothers from Alpha guys. So sila yung may PPF and detailing. Ito si Brother Tidge.
Hi guys.
Brother, bigyan mo naman sila ng konting info about Alpha.
Bago lang kami sa industry, so we have the lowest price in the market. Pero syempre, we want it to be affordable with everyone. So far, ito yung shop cars. Ito, colored PPF yan bro. So yan, hindi siya paint finish siya, pero wrap siya na PPF.
Wala kang makikitang cutting eh. So kahit mga classic na Toyota guys, nandito sa 80 meet guys, grabe. Sobrang sarap nila tingnan lahat na magkakasama guys. Tingnan nyo. Kung naghahanap ka ng inspiration guys na bumuo ng Toyota, kailangan mong pupunta dito. Salamat mga boss. Sabi nga ni Buzz Hype guys, enjoy car life. So guys, umalis lang muna tayo saglit sa may 80 meet dahil meron tayong laro ngayon sa Car Dealers League. Sobrang daming event ngayon guys. Actually may hindi ako pinuntahan ngayon eh. Invited ako magninong sa kasal. Putang ina, 33 ako pre, ginawa akong ninong sa kasal. Yung asawa ko, pinabayaan na naman ako. Pag bukas ko ng bag ko, wala na naman akong dalang cash. ATM, credit card, lisensya. Pag-aalis talaga ako nang di ko siya kasama. Grabe, para akong pulubi.
Kulang ka, pre, kulang ka.
Sinadya niya yun.
Sir! Ay, okay.
May nag-order lang po sa first.
Pero mag-ongoing
Nandiyan na po.
na. Okay. Thank you ma'am. hindi kasi natin maabot eh. Tayo na kailangan natin bumaba.
20 minutes naman
Tagal
kasi
na,
tayo
20 minutes. Nag-aantay talaga kami. At least na-confirm natin. May nag-order pa daw. Sir! Sabi ni ate, hello, may nag-order pa! Ano po yung unang in-order magkano?
Bakit ito na po itong 50 minutes?
Opo. Okay na, naka-order na tayo.
Living
the moments I said I would live in my head. Prior preparation and patience, no leaps from the edge. Only thing on my mind is making it, breaking the bread. I left all I don't need behind so the table can spread. I just follow the love, the passion carving the lead. Need every cut from the studs, this lane cut for a king. And I preach it just like the doctor, but this ain't a dream. Turn on the lights, this is the shot, this everything. Know they waiting on me to rise. I see it better than ever, just know you won't be
Para lang
deprived.
mga makasama dito sa event natin. Maraming salamat po. And again, aesthetic Zero, give a round of applause for their 50th year anniversary.
And now I'm finna be up, I put in all pain. Keeping my people the closest, I know they all pray. I gotta see their feet up and hear them holler we up. It be the small things that they don't pay no attention until it all change. I gotta keep my ambition here for the long range, so I be pure with intention. They thought they knew my position, now how I feel to be up. I'm on it and in it, we run with the fittest, can't let them take me.